morning. Have a little surprise. This is like an unexpected video this week, but I wanted to share some Charlie's nail art with you that I bought. So we are going to be playing with, here's this beautiful galaxy glitter. It's what it's called, is Galaxy. I think that is 4 grams. Right here it says 4 grams. Galaxy. I think it's just beautiful. Then we are going to be putting on some of the blue-black stones. Look at those. I also want to, I'm not going to use those, but I want to show these two. They are teardrop black stones. I think those are just so cute. I had to buy them. So, on my nails, I have got Beetle's foundation, which is the base coat. We're going to be using that to hold the glitter on. I'll be using Beetle's top coat. There's no white top coat, which is called Top It Off. I have color 704, which is this beautiful baby blue color. Beautiful. So I'm going to get my stuff set up here, the foundation, and I'm going to put it on the ring finger and the index finger. I've never put glitter on this way before, so I'm going to pour it on the nail. So it's just something new I'm going to try. I don't know if it's going to work or how well it's going to work. Usually I put it on with a brush. But hey, try something new every day. So I'm going to cure that for, should do just a flash cure maybe, I'm not really certain. But it's in the lamp. So yeah, I'm going to pour these over the nail and hope this really works. So we'll see. We will see if it works. But this is, I wish I could remember what I paid for this. Sorry about that. I'm still having clearing my throat issues all the time. But Charlie's nail art has such great prices. I don't know how to do this. I want it to go in the pot, or the tray, if it falls off the nail and doesn't stick. Whoops. There. So I'm going to take my finger, press this down over the nail or onto the nail, however you want to word it. That way I make sure it's coated. I'm going to get a fluffy brush and lightly brush that off. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Carly Marie likey. Use this. Put that up there. Move that around a little bit. Make sure the nail's completely covered again. We did waste a little bit, and I'm sorry for that because it is such a beautiful glitter. Oh, looks like the sequins didn't stick on the nails at all. Okay, they are stuck on, but pour this back in the bag. Waste not, want not. I'm sorry I wasted that because it is such a beautiful mix. Okay, now Oh, I guess I should have. Not gonna need all these. I'm gonna take some top coat. Should probably use some glue, but I don't know. Me and the glue, the flexi hand hasn't been working lately. I've glued 2 of my nails. I was putting fake nails onto my tips. Putting tips onto my fake nails for the acrylic video one time recently. And, oh good lord, I glued the nail to my flexi hand and I had to pry it off and it was just an ugly, ugly scene. Ugly scene. I'm going to take my lint roller to clean up my glitter mess here. Looks like the sequins want to stick to the mat, which is alright. Which you could just do that. Get your lint roller out, clean up your mess. No big deal. Just change your lint roller. Oh, looks like I'm at the end of my roll. Yep. Only a little bit left on there. One last sheet. So that is in the lamp we are going to put our gems on. Can't wait because I think these are just beautiful. Beautiful. Hope you've enjoyed my last couple videos. My acrylic video that up this week. My milk bath, which was just a gorgeous set to do. And I also did for She Modern Saturday liquid smoke nails. Those turned out so super cool. I'm like so stoked with how they turned out. So stoked. Whoops. Oh god, I did, didn't I? Oh my lord. I made a huge boo-boo. I cured it before putting the stones on. Duh! Oh, that's the polish. Cannot believe I did that. I'm just yapping away and not paying attention to anything I'm doing. Yammering, yammering, yammering. Bumping my gums. That's what my brother says. You're bumping your gums. Oh, shoot. Okay. Let's place our stones. Can't believe I cured it and forgot. Just didn't think and went about my way. Went about my way. So I'm not putting them smack dab next to each other. I am leaving them spaced out. Oh, whoops, a little bit on purpose. Whoops. I don't know, maybe I should put them next to each other. That's kind of look better. Alright then. Okay. What do you think? I think it's kind of cute. Kind of cute. Stick that in the lamp for 60 and we will be right back. Alright, we're back. I'm kind of changing my mind what I'm going to do here. I think I'm adding some stones to the other fingers. You look so lonely with no bling. So, I'm going to put some top coating into those. I think these are just beautiful stones. I have to use them. Alright, alright, alright. One more. There. I just love these. I mean, they got that blue black feel to them. They're just gorgeous. And I just have to put them on. I have to. I think these are just a gorgeous color. Check them out. They're on Instagram. Oh, let me look them up because I'm not sure how their thing is listed. So we will go to search. Charlie's _nail. Let me start over. Let me just show you here too. We have the first one, Charlie's _nail _art _supplies. They are located in the UK. There are www.charliesnailart.co.uk. It's at the top of my screen right here. Oh, it's showing on here, UK orders operation is business as usual. However, there may be delays for overseas orders. Which I guess this applied to me because I just placed an order a couple days ago. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I didn't like that. Okay, I think we're done. We're going to pop this in for a good 60. Give that a good cure. Put my goodies away, and then we'll be right back. Alright, we are back with our finished product. I had to pull these out of the lamp and top coat the glitter nails. I totally forgot. So, I went and hurried and did that, put them back in, and I think this is just beautiful. I love the way these nails shine. I love the way the glitter looks. Check them out, Instagram, Charlie's Nail Art Supply, _ under between each word. Tell them that Cherie from Just Nailed It sent you. Go to their website, check out their products, and their prices are just out of this world. They've got great prices, great products. I'm very pleased. I've already placed 2 orders. I received my first, as you can see. I placed my second one just a couple days ago. Sorry, I'm parched. So that's probably, this coming from the UK to the States. That's probably going to take you 3 weeks to a month. But when that comes, I'll have more to show. Until then, we'll just have to play with what Charlie's Nail Art products I did buy. Well, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 to 4 times a week now. Let's see, what else can I tell you? Oh, click the notification bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. That way you get to see all the nails that I do and practice on my acrylic journey. That's on Tuesdays. I produce 1 video a week, my docu-series, Learning Acrylics, so that people can take the journey with me and see what I do each week, how I'm learning, my progress. And then Saturday is She Modern Saturday. Well, thank you for coming. Thank you for your support. Have a blessed day.